Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn what is tokens in C++. Okay, tokens can be defined as the smallest building blocks of a C++ program that compiler understands. Okay, tokens क्या है? टोकन्स को हम लोगों ने डिफाइन किया है एज अ बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ अ C++ प्रोग्राम. वाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट अ बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ अ C++ program? Because we are using here variable name, function name, class name, and this all the things are used in a implementation of a program. Okay, that's why we are calling it as a smallest building blocks. Okay, here we have written that we can consider source code as a token. Why we are considering source code as a token? Because in source code we are using variable name, class name, function name, structures, so that all these things are tokens, and tokens are used in source code. So we can consider to the collection of tokens is a source code. Okay, after that let's move toward what are the types of tokens. Okay, we have several types of tokens, each of which serves a specific purpose in the syntax and semantic of a C++. Okay, below are the main types like identifiers, keywords, constants, strings, special symbols, operators. Like we have tokens and we have connected keywords, operators, constants, strings, special symbols, and identifiers also. Okay, here is next identifiers. Let's see what is identifiers, which is a first type of token. Okay, identifier is a entity like variable, function, structures. Okay, these entities must be given with a unique names within the program so that they can be uniquely identified. Okay, the unique names given to these entities are known as a identifier. Which entities? Like variable name, function, structures, giving them a unique name, a unique value was defined them as a identifier. Okay, example is string. What is string? String is a data type. First name, it is a identifier, and then Raju was also a identifier. Okay, then let's move towards next. There are some set of rules like being that token must start begins with a letter or an underscore. Next is tokens have to consist of letters, digits, and underscores, and it is not allowed to use spaces and special symbols in the declaration of identifiers. Okay, the next is keywords are not used as a identifier's name. Okay, we cannot use keywords like string is a keyword, and then int is a keyword, float is a keyword. We cannot use these keywords as a identifier names. After that, identifier must be unique. Okay, we have to use unique identifiers. Okay, after that, in C++, identifier as case sensitive. Like if you are writing what we write underscore name, okay, and underscore name, this both the things are different, means it is a case sensitive. Okay, then what are the valid identifiers and invalid identifiers? Okay, for valid identifiers we can use underscore. Okay, capital N first, we can use whole small letters and underscore and ending with the underscore. Okay, but for invalid identifier we cannot use special symbol. Okay, underscores are also a special symbol, but underscores are allowed, but this type of hash, asterisk, these symbols are not allowed. Okay, then we cannot start with digit. Okay, so this is a invalid identifier. And again, if we are not using underscore here, we cannot use the blank space in a name of identifier. Then again we are using string. String is a keyword, we cannot use it as a identifier name. Then let's see what is the example. Example is class A. Okay, then it is a body of class. We have defined one variable integer x. Here a is a class name which is a identifier, and here int x is a variable name which is also a identifier here. Okay, hope आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होंगी. Do share it with your friends and don't forget to give it a thumb. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.